Hello everyone, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets. And today I just wanted to do a debt update with you guys. And so I just wanted to place these stickers down and talk to you guys just a little bit of how our debt is going. And we will be using these washi and our debt right here. We're gonna put our debt and our little bit of savings together, and here it is. So I just wanted to start it with you guys just for now. So we're gonna place our washi down real quick. And this time, since I know I might have space, I'm going to put it right here. Right here. And since I already kind of know or have an idea of where to place them, I hope it doesn't take me that long. And then we'll get our little script here. And that's going to be our debt. I'll put it up here. Debt tracker. And then we're going to put this piece of washi down. I always have to be a tad bit careful with these, because I always end up ripping my washi. I just think because I'm not careful enough with it. And that's gonna go right here. I like to put it like right above, like right under this part right here of the washi. I like to put it there because I need space. And now we're gonna do add our what we have of debt here. Okay. And then we're gonna start with our biggest number to our lowest. And the first one is our what's it called? Oh, that big loan is called Uppbeat loan, I think. I'm gonna put Uppbeat loan. The balance on that is $20,440 with 31. And our we'll put our minimums right now. Our next loan is actually going to be, now this one, it is a personal loan. Then our next one is actually going to be, let's see if I find it here in my notes. I think in our last one, it was our Amazon card. I'm gonna use this, our January as a guide. And then we have Amazon. And that has right now 2,606 with 52. Then we have our Home Depot card. And that has right now 1,197 with 13. Then we were going to have our My Quicksilver, but we had an emergency, so we had to use my husband's Quicksilver. So I'm gonna put a B for Bernie's, Quicksilver, and that has, we added 758 with 38 on that. Then we're gonna have my Quicksilver is Maria's Quicksilver, and Maria's Quicksilver has 603 with 73. And after that we have Walmart, and Walmart has 323. Yeah, no, actually, we're gonna do my Hot Topic because apparently my Hot Topic has more right now than the Walmart for some reason. So we're gonna do Hot Topic. Remember, we're putting this from highest to lowest. And my Hot Topic for some reason has the highest right now, 334 with 86. And then is the Walmart card of 323. And I think it's because in some of these the interest already hit. That's why it's like this. And then we have my Platinum. It's Maria's Platinum. Of 225 with 80. And then we have the Samsung Finance. And that one has 229 with 16. That's how much that one has. And then lastly, our Shell card. I did have my Afterpay, but I paid that one off and I'm not doing no Afterpay anymore. We have the Shell card, and it has 186 exactly. Okay, so we are like this for now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we had less, and we added my husband's Quicksilver. Now this month, in all honesty, we're still gonna use our credit card because, like I said, I'm not working, and if we need money for food, and even though my budget, I'm gonna do my budget, and if we still need extra money for any emergency and things like that, we will use our credit card for now, just for this month. But once March hits and I'm working, we're not gonna use our credit card no more. But like, I'm not sure how this month is gonna be. I'm really scared, so I'm gonna use our credit card this month, but only if we don't have enough for what we need. So we'll see how our budget goes and how it actually comes out this month. Okay, and then we're gonna place down our strip here. Oh, for some reason this one's off. Sorry guys. I'm trying to take it out without ripping my whole washi out. Okay. So now we're gonna put our totals, and not so much we have right now. Like I said, we did add it, so our total is gonna be different, a lot different from last month. I am filming right now also to do I'm gonna do my budget, and I'll do my budget with you guys as well. So we have our debt here, and all we're gonna do is just add them all up. We're gonna do our lines really quick here. Then we're gonna add our minimums, our the minimum payments as well. And we might not do any additional this month as well. Like I said, let's see how our month goes. I hope it's not that bad. And because, like I said, it's only my husband working now, so let's see how it goes. And as soon as I get my work permit, I'm gonna start working, and I'm gonna do 2 jobs. I'm not gonna do one. I'm gonna do 2 jobs. So here we go. And then we're gonna do our minimals again here. And I feel bad that I accumulated more debt, and I didn't mean to. It's just we had like a really big emergency that we had to use our card. As you can see, it was $758. So yeah, I hate it, but I know that I am still gonna get back in track. And you see what I mean, that the interest really did hit, because and now we have to pay more on our minimal, so we really need to pay this off. And I promised myself I'm gonna pay this off by this year, and this is why I ended up deciding to get a second job. So Home Depot minimum is going to be 32, and then Bernie's Quicksilver is going to be 25, and then Maria's Quicksilver is going also to be 25, and my Hot Topic should be 29. Walmart is going to be 25, and then Maria's Platinum should be 25 as well. Samsung Finance, it should be $8. $8.61. 61. And then the Shark card should be 29. Okay, and that's it. And all we're gonna do is just add everything up. Let me get my calculator here, and I guess I'll speed this part up just a little bit. Okay guys, I am back, and now we're done with our debt here, and our total debt right now is $26,905 with 45. I know it's a lot, and like I said, I'm promised myself that I am gonna pay this off by the end of this year. And then I also, the minimum payment is $1,296 with 66 with 1,289 with 66, and that's a lot of money every month that I could use it for something else, which is why I'm gonna pay this off this year. I promise myself, and I am going to do it. And trust me, when I say I'm gonna do something, I will do it. So even though we are saving little by little, I still want to add my savings tracker here, and I'm gonna use this washi here, and I'm gonna put this washi down here just to separate it. And it is cute, so I really wanted to put it down. And there you go. Then we're gonna put this washi because we do have space anyways. We only have one savings right now. I actually ended up closing my savings account, so I'm gonna reopen it once I actually start saving more, because I have it cashed. I don't have it in the bank. So I'm just going to wait it out for now, and I'm just gonna keep saving cash for now. So we're gonna put our savings tracker still, because I still have a little bit left in the bank. And then we're gonna put our washi here down. And the reason why I did take up the space, like I said, I don't have a lot, so I figured might as well take all this part up already. We're gonna have it like that. And then we're gonna put this red washi down here, just so that there isn't like a gap there. And that's what it looks like. And we still have the same amount in the bank, just not in a savings account right now. It's just in my regular, like in a debit card account. Or so we're gonna do today's date, and we have at the 2nd of 1/22, and I'm put Haiti savings account. And then I'm gonna put 349.03. And that's how we're gonna have it as for now. There you go. And that's how we have it as for now. So this is it so far. I have a little bit of savings still, my daughter's savings. It was my son's and my daughter's together, but I'm gonna end up separating it, and I'm gonna have it in my daughter's because she is older than my son. So I feel like I still have enough time to save for my son. And once this debt is paid off next year, I will be able to allocate more money for them in savings. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching. I am so sorry with myself and that I did accumulate more, but this month I'm still gonna end up accumulating more, just because, like I said, I'm not working. I don't know how my budget is gonna look like, but I'm hoping I don't have to use them. So let's see how this month turns out. I hope you guys keep on watching to stay tuned to what happens next. And again, once again, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And I see you guys in my next one. Have an amazing day. Bye guys.